I get so depressive and can't get out of bed when I hear you in the kitchen. 'Cause you'll have more to say about all your thoughts and worries surrounding my condition. I can't understand it, I know that it's hard to be happy in my presence. You won't let it go, and I think I'm getting more indecisive by the second. You think I should talk to somebody, 'cause you've been reading about it. At the end of the day, we're never gonna talk about it. Talk about it. I give in the pressure when the weather gets cold and my fingertips are frozen. And you're falling apart over this, my faults that are out of my control. Love will set you free, but it'll hold you tight. Love will set you free, but it'll hold you tight. Love will set you free, but it'll hold you tight. Love will set you free, but it'll hold you tight. There's only so many times that you can listen to the same bad story before you lose your mind. And I've been hearing voices pushing me to tell you I've been thinking of leaving for a really long time. You think I should talk to somebody, 'cause you've been reading about it. At the end of the day, we're never gonna talk about it. Talk about it. I give in the pressure when the weather gets cold. My fingertips are frozen, and you're falling apart over this. My faults that are out of my control. Love will set you free, but it'll hold you tight. Love will set you free, but it'll hold you tight. Love will set you free, but it'll hold you tight. Love will set you free, but it'll. Love will set you free, but it'll hold you tight. Love will set you free, but it'll hold you tight. Love will set you free, but it'll hold you tight. Oh, love can set you free, but it'll hold you tight. So depressive, baby, and it holds me tight. You're falling apart, and it holds me tight. Come and meet me at my old apartment. Boxes on the floor. I've been waiting all night for you. Come on, I've been waiting all night for you. I know you don't believe me, but this is where I saw you for the first time, and that was when I knew. I've been waiting all my life for you. Now you're at the airport drinking coffee, waiting for your plane, leaving me behind for a new set of streets to memorize. New bed and sheets and carpet and tile. I'm still packing my things, trying to catch you before it leaves. Running through the door, every red light. There's no time to wait around. I need you now. I'd stopped thinking things would ever change. I saw you in the elevator, asked for your name. Echoes in my head still today. Your voice bounces off every corner of my brain. What could I do with my days? There's no other way I could spend